These are the Lloyd front and rear floor mats with a 5.0 logo, and they fit 1979 to 1993 Mustangs. You have a handful of options when it comes to floor mats for the Fox body. These are going to be something that you're going to want to check out if you're looking for an embroidered black floor mat and you don't want just front mats. This comes as a set of 4 with the 2 front mats embroidered with the official 5.0 logo on them. The install, if you want to call it that, comes down to a 1 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter, and it'll take you about 5 minutes of your time to get these in the car. These floor mats have very plush, thick carpeting, and they're gonna be an upgrade for sure in the looks department. The edges of the mats all have a stitched trim on them, and these do have spots to be anchored down. They come with new anchors too, and that's a nice thing because the anchors will keep these floor mats from moving around under your feet as you're driving. Looking at the styling a little bit, other than the carpeting itself, you have the embroidered 5.0 logo in silver with the red dot. This is the official Ford license logo and not some knockoff logo. And I always think that that's the way to go with any logo. You need the real deal if you want it to look right, in my opinion. Speaking of that though, Lloyd offers a few different logos, so if you like this mat but maybe you don't want the 5.0 logo, you could always opt for the running pony or the Cobra emblem instead, or even a set of plain black mats. There are also different colors other than black. You could always choose gray or red. When it comes to price, you can expect to pay right about $90 for these, and that's pretty much in line with your other floor mat options. You do have less expensive options. You can go with a plain set of floor mats that don't have the logo if you wanted to save a little bit of money, or maybe go with a WeatherTech mat instead that isn't carpeted. The install, if you want to call it that, is a 1 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter. Alright guys, so the install of the floor mats themselves is easy enough, but these floor mats come with fasteners for the driver's side floor mat, which is a nice little feature. We gotta get these installed in the carpet first, and what they're gonna do is they're gonna make sure that driver's side floor mat doesn't slide around under your feet as you're driving. Alright guys, so we're gonna start this by taking our 2 fasteners, and we're gonna connect them into our floor mat. Then we're going to lay the floor mat into the car and we're going to mark where the fasteners sit so we know where to install the fasteners in the carpet. I'm actually going to mark with tape because I have black carpet, so I'm going to want to see where I need the fasteners to sit. So now that I have it all marked, I'm going to pull the floor mat out and then just take the fasteners and actually screw them into the carpet. I'm literally taking the fastener and there are threads here that are going to puncture the carpet, so I'm threading this fastener into the carpet. So now that we have our fasteners installed in the carpet, we're just going to lay our floor mats down into place. Now the only thing that's different is on the driver's side, we do need to connect the fasteners through these 2 holes in the driver's side floor mat. Alright, so we got the front installed, now we got to lay in the rear. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up this install and review. Keep in mind that you can always check these floor mats out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.